is we've made some progress on our Bernina LGB loco, which has a fault on the old decoder unit. I've been in touch with Big Train World at the LGB store, and Marco there has been extremely helpful in pointing me in the right direction, should I say, which is to download the manual for this decoder. And he also says that this is the recommended replacement. It has more functions and it is a more dependable or reliable unit. That is the Massoth one rather than the older LGB version. Now, he also mentioned in his communication to me that he was concerned that there is an overheating or a burning on the old board. I can't pinpoint exactly why that is or where it's come from, but it is only from information that I can get. It's on the SB560, which is a rectifier or a barrier rectifier. What it actually does, I can't really say, but there's no other evidence of any other burning on there. There's a little bit of overheating on one of the sockets. There's also a wire that's got a slight bit of overheating on that. But apart from that, there's nothing that indicates exactly the reason behind it. So we're making progress in as far as I've got the manual now and I'm understanding a little bit more about it. And we hope that very, very soon we'll be able to reconnect all of this together in the way that it's going to make it work. So it's again a big thank you to Marco at Big Train World, and we'll be keeping you posted on the progress. Big thank you to you for watching this video, and congratulations again for making it to the end.